monthly market report for May 2024. Market movements. In May, the VN Index increased at 4.3% month-on-month. Specifically, during this month, the Large Cap Index, or the VM30, rose 2.9%, while the Index of Mid-Cap Stocks, the VN70, and the Index of Small Cap Stocks, the VNSE, rose 9.1% and 10.1% respectively. Overall, mid and small cap stocks significantly outperformed large cap stocks. This outstanding performance of mid and small cap stock can be attributed to several factors. One major factor was the heavy and consistent net sales of $745 million by foreign investors in large cap stocks, which led to price declines and prompted retail investors to shift towards smaller cap companies. Other factors contributing to this performance include the proposed extension of the VAT reduction through 2024, the VAT deduction on fertilizer products, and the new real estate laws taking effect from the 1st of August. These laws consist of the Land Law 2024, the Law on Housing 2023, and the Real Estate Business Law 2024. The changes in policies have created a more favorable market environment. Sector performance. In May, all sectors performed positively. The most outstanding sectors were energy, materials, and industrials. Although these sectors generally include large cap stocks, they show significant growth due to specific sectoral factors. Specifically, for the energy sector, its performance was driven by two major factors: the revocation of licenses for petroleum distributor by the Ministry of Industry and Trade, and progress in the Block B gas development project by Vietnam National Oil and Gas Group. The group expects all engineering, procurement, construction, and installation contracts to be completed by the end of June. The industrial sector witnessed robust growth thanks to the contribution of major key players like Vietnam Airlines Joint Stock Company and Cotecan Construction Joint Stock Company. Vietnam Airlines saw improved performance due to higher passenger volumes, increased fare prices, and reduced competition. Meanwhile, Cotecan's construction secured significant contracts from foreign direct investment (FDI) enterprises, benefiting from supportive policies and economic incentives in the recovering construction and real estate sectors. Given Vietnam's attractiveness for FDI, Cotecan is expected to continue securing valuable contracts. Macro review. In May, both Consumer Price Index or CPI and the Index of Industrial Production or IIP witnessed growth. Over the first 5 months of 2024, the average CPI increased by 4% compared to last year. Meanwhile, the IIP increased by 6.8% over the same period. Retail sales grew by 8.7% year-on-year in the first 5 months of 2024. In terms of trade, in May, the market saw a trade deficit of $1 billion due to a surge in imports. However, the first 5 months of 2024 still recorded a trade surplus of $8.01 billion. During this month, both the spurt and registered FDI saw positive movements, with increases of 7.8% and 2% year-on-year respectively. In May, the number of foreign arrivals in Vietnam surged by 64.9% compared to last year, which is 3.9% higher than pre-pandemic levels. Market view.
In May, the contrasting dynamics of large cap stocks and mid, small cap stocks were evident.
The outlook for the large cap stock remained cautious due to ongoing heavy selling in the large cap equities and macroeconomic volatility. This suggests a challenging environment for large cap stocks. Conversely, retail investors are favoring more speculative mid and small cap stocks due to their attractive growth opportunities in the current market conditions. The factors driving the strength of mid and small cap stocks in May, such as the VAT reduction and favorable real estate laws, are expected to continue positively impacting these stocks. At a sector level, favorable regulatory changes and improved business conditions make the outlook for the energy and industrial sectors optimistic. Key players in aviation and construction, like Vietnam Airlines and Cotekens Construction, contributed significantly to positive forecasts for the industrial sector. The market's focus will likely remain on these sectors and meet small cap stocks for growth opportunities in the near future. That concluded the May market report. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more insights.